Carrying laundry through your home has been an age-old, never-ending, repetitive manual chore. Since the early 1900s, electrical appliances such as irons, washing machines, and dryers have made doing the laundry much more efficient. However, hauling laundry baskets around the home has largely remained the same for decades. Until now. Laundry Jet is the award-winning air-powered laundry chute and removes the need to have dirty laundry baskets in your rooms and living spaces. The Laundry Jet system replaces laundry baskets with neat and stylish motion-activated wall ports. A simple double wave of your hand turns the system on, and then, using air power, quietly draws your dirty clothes, bed sheets, and even damp towels to your laundry room in just a few seconds, even if it is hundreds of feet away. Kids love it too. You can even send clean laundry back upstairs to a chosen room for ironing and folding. Having options from 1 to 8 port locations per system lets you save time, energy, and even injury. Send laundry up, down, or around and get rid of all those stale-smelling, untidy, space-occupying laundry baskets. It's perfect for any sized home. Laundry Jet, from laundry mess to tidiness, and more time for you.